Jai Hind everyone. Today we are going to revise our chapter 3 clothes we wear. We wear different type of clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from cold, heat, rain and insects. We wear different type of clothes in India. In India, for example, Kashmiri dress, Sikh dress, South Indian dress, Bengali dress, Rajasthani dress, Assami dress, etc. In India and clothes from with special jobs. Some people do special jobs and they wear special kind of clothes. For example, doctor, nurse, policeman and advocate. Clothes we wear during rainy season. When it rains, we wear raincoat and also use umbrella during rainy season. Clothes we wear during summer. We wear different clothes in different season. Summer we wear comfortable cotton clothes. We get cotton from cotton plant. Cotton clothes made by spinning and weaving cotton. Cotton is woven on a weaving machine called loom. Clothes we wear during winter. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Use sweater, caps, socks, and other warm clothes. Silk. We wear clothes made from silk we get from silkworm. Silkworm builds a home around itself with long sticky threads called cocoon. These cocoons are used by special to make silk. The silk threads are used to make silk clothes. Care of clothes. In order to keep our body clean, we have to take care of it. In the same way, we must also take care of clothes. We must wash our clothes daily with clean water and soap. We must use mothballs, naphthalene balls, so that insects will not spoil our clothes. We should fold them properly and put them neatly in cupboards. Now summary. We wear different type of clothes in different season. In summer we wear cotton clothes. In winter we wear woolen clothes. We use raincoats to protect ourselves from rain. Let us do word meaning of chapter 3 clothes we wear. Word meaning protect. The meaning to keep safe. Smart, a person having tidy appearance. Different, not the same. Yarn, thread. Process, series of action. Spun, to make something turn around quickly. Occasions, a special event. Elegant, having an attractive style. Cocoon, a covering around an insect. Let us revise our word meaning. PROTECT, protect, to keep safe. SMART, smart, a person having tidy appearance. DIFFERENT, different, not the same. Yarn, Y-A-R-N, yarn. Thread. Process, Process, meaning is series of actions. Spun, spun, meaning is to make something turn round quickly. Occasion, Occasion, meaning is a special event. Elegant, Elegant, meaning is having an attractive style. Last word is cocoon, 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 meaning is a covering around an insect. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.